Hi, Nero!
Hey, what's up, yo?
Anong masasabi mo sa vlog natin?
Ako yung pinaka-pogi dito. Wala ako.
Ay, si Pepe.
Ako sabi ko kayo, dalawa putang ina.
Si Julius, eto si Larna. Ano masasabi mo kay Pempem?
Boom, boom.
Ikaw, Larn.
Congrats!
Sana last nakasal mo nila.
Gogo.
Di ba? Last talaga yun.
Tim, ano masasabi mo?
Ha? Tumigas na, hindi na malambot.
Say hello! Cheers! Clay, what can you say about the newlywed?
I'm gonna eat
This one. Don't put it in your mouth, okay? You can just hold it. No worry, I sanitize this one, okay? There you go. Say mama. Ako, di ba curious siya kung ano yan?
Sino nagsabi?
Brad, gusto mo beer? Yeah. Nick, what can you say about the newlywed?
They look really good together.
There you go. All right, we're just interviewing everybody. Ate Rachel, what can you say about the newlywed?
I'm very happy for you, Kiana and Pempem. More babies.
What's your question?
What can you say about the newlywed?
English or Taglish?
Taglish.
Taglish.
Yes.
You need to get married now, JR.
Oo nga eh. Delete. Yo, what can you say about the newlywed?
Hey, congratulations. Lifelong happiness. Getting married is the best thing ever. Next thing up, having kids.
Ito ang ating venue. And our DJ.
Oops, sorry.
Welcome to the DJ. DJ.
Do you know?
Cowgirl.
Sir.
Robert Cowgirl.
Reverse ko. Tingnan. Oh. So guys, si Ralph with Nero. Ang magtatay na hindi magkamuka.
Excuse me?
Ay, sorry. Ano yan?
Excuse me? Duwelo tite.
Go. Guys, nandito kami sa kasal ngayon ni Francis at saka ni Kiana. Parehas na silang songko. Soko.
How can I help you?
Kung sino yung guys nakikita nyo sa camera, mga addict.
Ba't doon? Uy, dali, request ka nun.
Guys, tignan nyo to. Yung tatay, umiinom ng alak, tas yung anak, umiinom ng dede. Multitasking. Baliktad. Julius, tang ina mo. Si Ma'am si Lenny, pati si Ralph at si Nero.
Lenny and Krista. All right, please wave those things, guys.
So,
Lisa
layo.
and Ava.
Ay ba? Ano ko yun? Ano dyan?
AJ and Ate Timmy. Preston the Killer.
And guys, ito si Francis at saka si Kiana. And
Haharapin bawat mundo. got a pretty me. Yeah, you got pretty me. All right, ladies, so let's give another round of applause, please.
And nung taong to, gutom na. Yes. And guys, ito ang The Three Musketeers. Table by table na po. So, yan. Update lang yan, guys. Ito guys, kumakain na kami. Paldo. Yan guys, mga pagkain namin.
Tingnan mo yung pagkain ko.
Anong meron, sir?
Lahat pagkain.
Ayan. Yung isang bata umiinom doon ng alak. Ayun, ayun.
Itim mo lang hindi.
Yung akin lang hindi.
We got We're gonna call all the single men. Let's go. Let's go. All the single men. Let's go.
Vlogger!
Now, that was the ladies. 3, 2, 1.
Tsaka sa mga nag-ayos ng venue, thank you. Sino nag-ayos ng venue?
Kami ni Kuya Enchong!
Yun o. Yun o.
Okay.
Magpa-party muna kami sa loob. Tapos yan, sa-celebrate muna namin yung kasal ni Francis pati ni Kiana. So guys, ingat kayo palagi at saka salamat sa suporta. And yun, thank you talaga. Bye-bye. So guys, ito yung nangyayari. Kaya sa-celebrate muna kami.